So today we are making turon. The ingredients we will need are sliced up jackfruit, spring roll wraps, plantain, banana, and brown sugar, and water. Okay, so first step is we get some of the banana that's sliced up already, and then we put it in the sugar, and then we put it here on one of the corners. The next step is to take some jackfruit, and then you take this corner and you hold it over and you start rolling. And then when it comes to here, when the two corners are pointing like this way and this way, then you get a little water and you put it on the flap, then you fold it, press on it, and then you take some more water, put it on the other flap, and then press hard on this one too. Then you take more water, and then you put it all over this little triangle, and then you start folding again. And that's how you make one. And you basically do the same thing over and over again. And then we'll show you how to fry them later. Okay, see you later, bye. Okay, so now we're adding the oil, and we're gonna heat it up. When the oil is hot, we're gonna start adding the turon we prepared. Now that the oil is hot, we're gonna start adding the turon.
Just 20 minutes, the crew has prepped a helicopter to take to the skies for the first trial. As the controls at the area.
Now we're gonna flip the turon to see if it's golden brown. It's not golden brown yet. Now the side that we flipped over is golden brown. So now we have to make the other side golden brown. I also added some brown sugar to like around the turon, so it has a little bit of sugar. Now that the turon is done, I can enjoy eating. So now I'm going to tell you what it tastes like. It's very crunchy, the wrap, and in the inside it's very soft because of the banana and the jackfruit, and it's also very tasty. It's the very famous dessert in Philippines. And if you're wondering why mine is so small, it's because I like mine very, very small because you can bite it in one bite or 2 bites. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified when I post my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.